After comments from last night's meeting are reviewed, the transportation study is over. But what happens next, no one knows. Good evening, thanks for joining us tonight. Nass Valley RCMP continued to search for a Gitwin man who's been missing for nearly a week. It's CFest 2008 and day 2 of the festivities. We're going to start off with a little dunking of politicians, and then Gary Coons gets a pie in the face. Despite the debate, Lalonde says Shell hopes to continue with their project sometime in the fall. According to dealership owner Gary McCarthy, this lot behind me is normally filled with 100 cars. Right now, there's 45, and he says he's selling 1 to 2 new ones every day. It's a project that's been in the works for the past 4 years, and now the Fraser Street mural is ready for unveiling. A good inexpensive vegetable choice is squash. It's often locally grown and keeps really well in cold storage and can be found well into the winter months. So eating well may be difficult, but it's not impossible if you do your research. People from many different nations have gathered here today at Northwest Community College to witness the first ever formal apology by the Canadian government for the suffering caused by the Indian residential school system.